Yeah. So this past holiday season, I purchased an RC I've been eyeballing a really long time. Make kids fun. Hopefully it makes me fun. So this is the JJRC C8812 RIPSAW. It might look familiar because it has been in a couple movies, one of them being Fast and Furious. I don't know which number because there's like 20 of them. So this is one of those RCs that I really don't know too much about, and I wasn't sure if it's gonna be good or not. You can see you got the gray one. It also comes in desert color and green. So I patiently waited for the holiday season so I can pick one up really cheap. I ended up paying $18 for this RC tank, and for $18, hey, I don't think I can go wrong. Now, does that mean that you can get one for $18 as well? Probably not, because originally these go for a little over $30, and I used a whole bunch of coupons to knock the price down to $18. So I had a bunch of coupons for like delayed deliveries and whatnot, and I totaled them all up, applied them to the cart, and yeah, $18. And right away I can see that was money well spent. Originally, I thought these tracks were going to be plastic, but they're actually rubber, so that's nice to see. It also looks like it has somewhat of a suspension on the track, so it can go over stuff much easier. This little military tank does have gullwing doors that you open up, and you can put little dudes inside if you have one small enough. I'm not sure if I have anything that'll fit in there, though. That's pretty tight. You also have some rear lights there, and lights on top of the roof and maybe in the front. But yeah, overall I cannot complain. This thing has a lot of details, has some little antennas there, some fans there. This is really nice. Now here's what's included with the tank. You got your instruction manual there, some 600 milliamp hour 2S batteries. They give you 2 of them, which is nice. USB charger for the batteries, Phillips screwdriver, and your transmitter. So this is your standard issue JJRC transmitter that you get in a lot of base model RCs they offer. Really tight fitting. Still get some good finger control. For buttons, you don't get much. A light control and an on and off button. That's about it. Alrighty, so it's a couple hours later. I brought this thing outside for a quick photo shoot, and I didn't drive it yet. So let's start it up and see how it does. I'll turn the transmitter on first. Transmitter's on. Let's see how it starts. Ooh, all right. Got some lights there. The lights in the front, that's nice. Let's see how this thing turns. Whoa, that is awesome. Oh, this thing's pretty quick. Whoa. I like it. That's cool. Oh wow, it turns a lot better than I thought it would. Oh. Let's give it the full beans. Whoa! Whoa! Dude, this thing turns really good for what it is. Whoa! Almost shut it off. Now, I don't think this rear light is working. Or maybe it's not supposed to, I don't know. I'm trying to hold it so my hands don't hit the tracks, but yeah, that rear light is not working. Maybe if I hit the light button. No, that's weird. Should it be working? I don't know, it might be a fake light. But it definitely works up here because it changed to blue. So we're gonna hit the light. Purple, yellow. Oh, I got some Knight Rider thing going on there. That's pretty cool. That's nice. A little crazy strobe effect. Oh, that's sick. Yeah, I like it just like that though. Nice and original. But yeah, awesome little military tank. Whoa. Has some zip to it. This does have an all plastic transmission. I wonder if it can handle being brushless. That would have been cool, but it's got some, oomph, because, it almost does a wheelie. Dude, that thing zips. Oh. All right, let's take it on a nice little walk outside. see how it does. This thing's pretty awesome. Now let's see if we can do some crawling of things. I doubt it, but it's worth a try. Nope, just as I thought. Oh, all right, we almost had it. Yeah. It's not too bad. It's pretty quick for a little brush tank. It can go over most obstacles, I guess. But I didn't expect it to do anything crazy. It's definitely something that if I don't use much, my kid will definitely will. Because he loves these type of things. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, I should probably get out of this active construction zone. It should be able to go up this, no problem. Oh. Come on, you could do it. Yes. Oh, no, we are stuck. Oh. Can't exactly climb, but it is what it is. This thing's still fun. Awesome. How about some donuts? Yeah, tank donuts. Whoa, okay, buddy. Going off-road, all right. Aw. Oh, actually does okay in hard-packed snow. I think the battery is running out. Oh, man.